Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just open the keyboard. And since we've got the keyboard on the screen, we can take a look at this option bar and enter the settings. So let's tap on it. Now let's tap on languages and types. And here we've got the list of added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on manage input languages. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. What's more, here we've got the list of downloaded languages. If you cannot find yours, no worries, just scroll down to the available languages, find it and tap on this download icon. So in order to set the language, to add the language to the list, just tap on the switcher next to it. So let me pick Arabic, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied here. What's more, here we've got a new option, which is language switching method, and here we can decide if we want to switch the language using the spacebar swipe, language key, or language key and spacebar swipe. I will pick both options in order to show you how they work. So let me get back, and as you can see, here we've got actually I'm not sure if two differences, but for sure one. So here we've got the globe icon, which is a language key and will allow us to change the languages. So right now I am typing English. What's more, on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using. And in order to change the language, we can swipe on the spacebar, and as you can see, the keyboard immediately changes. The same situation will be if we will tap on this globe icon. As you can see, after tapping on it, I can switch to English, and after tapping again to the Arabic one. So actually this is how to add the language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it. So all you have to do is simply enter the settings and the languages again, and here we can just tap on manage input languages. We've got the list, and right now we have to tap on the switcher here on the obviously on the language we'd like to remove. And after getting back, we've got only English. What's more, we do not have the globe icon, and after swiping on the spacebar, actually we cannot do anything, so we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy XCover 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.